the dungeon with it. About to get the first workout of the day in, and then see where else the day takes me.
Let's go, team. How they put coach in the back. That's fucked up. Good morning. Another day. How they put Joe in the back? That's Coach Joe.
Dungeon MMA.
What's up, bro? Good, bro. How they? Okay, how they backdoor coach like that? How they backdoor you like that? Okay. Why you gotta come out with a cutoff like that? Huh? Why you gotta come out with a cutoff like that? You leave me hanging? Alright.
Oh, my bad.
I was up there for at least 30 seconds.
My bad, brother.
Nah. Yeah, stretch that. Shaking right now, my hands are shaking. Look at it, my hands are hella shaking, bro.
Are they really?
Yeah, fuck man. Good shit, y'all. Good shit, team. Good shit, team. How you feeling, big boy? You look like you ain't. You like you run 2 more miles.
Hell nah.
He said, hell nah. The whole team working. How you feeling, B? Your stomach burning, B? Yeah, my stomach's fucking on fire, bro. Woo! This the outro song? This the outro.
Some shit like that.
I think you get the fucking app, or you get like apps.
Oh, like
you get
for free,
yeah.
Yeah. Probably.
What's good? We're out here at Woodward waiting for
Everybody.
basically.
Think Slide's coming? Yeah, huh?
Yeah, Slide's coming.
Okay.
Coco's not here. He should be. You already know how vital it is when you fight. Oh, look, here comes Joe. I see him.
Okay.
Cheers, gang. That shit tastes good. This is that Delta 8 shit. But
That shit go crazy.
it's not
Let me
bad.
tell you.
It's not bad. It doesn't hit like a regular high, but pretty cool. You're like aware. You don't really get that litty. You don't get lazy. It's whatever. I prefer weed though.
Yeah. Straight out the bomb, bro.
Mm-hmm. Hell no, fresh in a joint.
Hell no. Mine's
I
the
think
bomb.
there's Sai and Joey.
He started banging on us?
He started banging on. If y'all know how to bang, throw it in the comments. Throw your gang out in the comments. There's a war in the comments. Fuck.
That's how you blow up?
Start writing in the comments.
That's
Nah.
how you blow up.
That's how I'm gonna get big.
Oh, yeah, I like those ones. Yep.
I ain't a Raiders fan, but it's cold as fuck out
There
here.
you are.
It's cold as fuck out here.
There you are.
I gotta be right now.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's your favorite baby daddy. It's your favorite baby daddy.
Hey, I'm back on the market. Get your applications in, you feel me?
Okay, look, he said I
You got your headphones?
My backpack in there. I wish I had headphones. I lost my shit. It's good, y'all. Bang. Back out here with another banger. You know, we're out here at the Art of Life Healing Gardens. We're gonna heal our bodies with a nice run. You know, that's how we do it. Just another day doing what we do, stretch it out. Enjoy the production.
You see that play that crash in Fresno? Nah, recently. Oh, yeah, a couple weeks ago? Yeah.
That's a Fresno ass shit, huh?
That's a Fresno.
10, a helicopter falls from the sky in Fresno, almost crushing a driver below. The pilot and passenger are in the hospital.
Someone stole that shit. Someone found it and was like, let's go.
Clean my house.
Good shit, coach. The birds, the hawks is out. They know it's time to eat.
As we go. I'm down. I'm down. You here? Yeah. It's just right here. Around the corner.
After that 3 mile run, you feel me? GB3. Oh, look. Oh, why you flinch? He punked you. I got it on camera. Yeah, he punked you. Pinky. You nasty.
Nasty.
Stanky.
Just work out without a shirt.
Like and subscribe, and I'll drink a cup of his water. A cup of that. See this shit, Beto? Who's gonna see this, bro? It's for YouTube, bro.
This is like
This is Beto. You guys haven't met him yet. This is one of my childhood friends right here, my bud.
You don't fuck with us.
You don't fuck with us.
You haven't met me either, because they don't fuck with me either.
Bitch, you're on like a few of my videos. Feel me, y'all? We out here at my boy Beto's house. Can't really show y'all the location. You know how that be.
No, brother, I is 222-6825. 62.
Write that shit down. Put that shit in your notes. Feels good out today too. That boy slugging his element. He got a 805 in the hand skis, phone in the hand skis, nipple out.